These Honey Lime Chicken Enchiladas are one of those make once and crave forever sort of meals. They're sweet, tangy, creamy, and packed with gooey, melty cheese in every bite. Perfect for weeknight dinners, potlucks, or whenever you've got leftover chicken and you want to turn it into something spectacular. The best part? They're super easy to throw together, and yes, using rotisserie chicken still counts as cooking. This is how we do it. In a bowl or zip-top bag, mix 1/3 cup honey, 1/4 cup lime juice, 1 tablespoon chili powder, and 1 minced garlic clove. Toss it with your shredded chicken and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to 8 hours if you want to have that deep developed flavor. When you're ready to bake, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and spray a 9x13 baking dish. Then pour about 1/2 cup of green enchilada sauce into the bottom of your baking dish to create a thin base layer. I'm using a 28-ounce can in mild because we're wussies. Next, fill each tortilla with the perfectly marinated chicken and hefty handful of shredded cheese. Roll them up and place them seam side down in your pan. Save about a cup of cheese to sprinkle on top because, well, there's no such thing as too much cheese. If you've got any leftover marinade, stir that goodness along with 1/2 cup of heavy cream into the remaining enchilada sauce in a separate bowl. If you don't, just do what I did and top off the enchilada sauce with cream straight in the can and stir to combine. Then pour this creamy sauce mixture over your enchiladas. Use as much or as little as you like depending on your preference and sauciness level. Then we're going to bake for 25 to 30 minutes until the top is golden and bubbly. I like to serve mine with a dollop of sour cream, but feel free to put your favorite toppings on it for your preference. Let me know in the comments if you give them a try or if you added your own twist. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real food recipes made easy.